You use muscles every day to do activities. This woman is using muscles to breathe, circulate blood, and...
Okay, this woman use the muscles to breathe. So, respiratory muscles circulate the blood, cardiac muscles, and move her legs.
and move her hand to take notes.
Okay, she is writing. So now we are entering in the skeletal muscle. Can you hear my voice now properly?
Yes.
Sure, Nat?
Yes.
Your cardiac and smooth muscle tissues
Okay, we have three muscles. Smooth muscles, cardiac muscles, and
are involuntary. You do not consciously control their actions. Skeletal muscle works under voluntary control.
Okay, we are now entering here in the skeletal muscle. See, skeletal muscle is striated muscle.
Skeletal muscles are composed of
Fine. The muscle is made up of muscle fiber bundle. Muscle fiber bundle is
bundles
made
of
up
muscle
the
fibers.
muscle fiber, and muscle fiber is made up of myofibril. Okay, muscle is made up of muscle fiber bundle. Muscle fiber bundle is made up of muscle fiber. Muscle fiber inside it is made up of the myofibril.
Muscle fibers are long,
And along with that, muscle fiber in that particular place, nucleuses are present there. Okay?
cylindrical cells containing several nuclei. Muscles will contract or relax
Okay?
when they receive.
What is this? Yes. Neuron terminal portion. The terminal portion of the neuron, axon fiber, that you know it very well, right? Axon terminal. Actually, this is known as neuromuscular junction. Neuromuscular junction. This is the muscle, and this is the covering of the muscle. So generally, nerve and muscle are not connected together. There is a gap in between this. That's why it is known as NMJ, neuromuscular junction. Now here what happened? From our nervous system, this neuron gives the muscle to the message to the muscle. This neuron gives the message to the muscle, and muscle is contracted. How? Let's see.
Signals from the nervous system.
Okay, in this way the signals are coming from the nervous system. Okay, pass through the neuromuscular junction.
A neuromuscular junction is the site of the signal exchange.
Okay, neuromuscular junction is the site where signal will exchange.
This is where the synaptic bulb of an axon terminal
Actually, axon fiber and in the axon terminal. Have you ever heard this? Axon fiber ends in axon terminal, and at the end of that enlarged portion is known as synaptic knob or synaptic bulb. Have you ever heard synapse?
Yes.
What is the definition of synapse? The gap between the two successive neurons. Use that word, two successive neuron. If you use the word the gap between the two neurons, you think about that. બે ન્યુરોન વચ્ચે ગેપ એટલે બે ન્યુરોન કોઈ પણ હોઈ શકે. So in between these two neurons, so many neurons are there. So successive word is very, very important there. So here similar to that, synaptic bulb is there. And from this synaptic bulb some chemical is secreted, and that chemical is now connect the nerve and muscle. As a result, impulse is transmitted to the muscle fiber. Okay?
And muscle fiber
કાલે જે લોકોએ સ્ટડી કર્યું છે આજે બધું આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરવાનું છે આમાં કઈ લેબલિંગ નથી
connect. Muscle fibers are composed of many myofibrils. A myofibril contains contractile.
Okay, identify A band, I band, Z band, M line, H band. Anyone, if you want to come here and explain, it's very nice. And if you want to explain at your place, that is also fine. Identify that. Where is A band, H band, I band, Z band? Thick filaments, thin filaments, sarcomere, everything is given here, which we have learned earlier. Able to identify? Tell me. Yes. Love. Tell me.
સર આજે રેડ કલર ના છે ને
કયું?
વચ્ચે બ્લુ લાઈન છે આઈ ઈ ડાર્ક બેન્ડ
એટલે આ ડાર્ક બેન્ડ થઈ Where is dark band? એ તો છે તો બધું અહીંયા અમે એમ કઈ Sit, no problem. Yes, tell me. Which one is the A band? એક વસ્તુ ખબર પડી જશે પછી બધું ખબર પડવાનું છે હે કયું કન્સિડર કરું ક્યાં સ્ટોપ દઉં ઓકે હવે I band. Yes. This one is the I band. Z line. Dark band. A band. This one is the H zone.
Yes.
Understand?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
So this one is the light band. This one is the Z line. Okay? And this one is the A band. H band. M line. And this one is the sarcomere. So sarcomere in that wall, A band is there, and sideways two half I band there. And now listen. Z line. કાલે ડાયાગ્રામ ડ્રો કર્યો ને એમાં ખાસ ધ્યાનથી જોજો from Z line thin filaments are originated and up to H band. So this is thin filament here. Okay, so this one is the thin filament and thin and thick filaments are present in the A band, but in the center of it, only thick filaments are there. Thin filaments are absent. This is the H zone. Clear? Identify થાય છે બધું? Yes. Anybody has any doubt? Sure, ne? Yes. Okay.
Units called sarcomere.
Clear? मैं वीडियो પોઝ એટલે કર્યો કે આપણે સાર્કોમિયર બતાવી દે તો ખબર પડી જ જાય અને કાલે આપણે ડાયાગ્રામ ડ્રો કર્યો તો એવું તો અહીંયા લેબલિંગ થાય ને કલરફુલ બરાબર. So this is the structural and functional unit of the skeletal muscle. This is known as sarcomere. Clear? અચ્છા હવે આગળ એવું આવવાનું છે મસલ કોન્ટ્રાક્ટ થશે. Three things become short. ત્રણ વસ્તુ શોર્ટ થવાની છે and there is a no change in the three things. તમારે મને આઈડેન્ટિફાઈ કરીને કહેવાની છે. Clear?
Sarcomeres run adjacent to one another down the length of the myofibril. Each sarcomere consists of alternating thick and thin protein.
Clear? Thick and thin filaments. So A band consists thick and thin filament. I band consists only thin filament. H band consists only thick filament. Fine?
Filaments, giving skeletal muscle its striated appearance.
હજી આપણે એક સ્ટેપ thick filaments માં જવાનું બાકી છે. આપણે અહીંયા બતાવી દઉં છું. પછી એનો ડાયાગ્રામ ડ્રો કરીને પછી તમને કહીશ. હા?
The muscle contracts when the
હા જો આવું થયું. આ જોરદાર છે. હા.
filaments, giving skeletal muscle its striated appearance. The muscle contracts when these filaments, giving skeletal muscle its striated appearance. The muscle contracts when these
Three things become short, and three things there is a no change. હજી ફરીથી જોઈ લો.
And protein filaments, giving skeletal muscle its striated appearance. The muscle contracts when these filaments.
One student please tell because I am not understanding it. H band, I band, short here. કઈ વાંધો નહીં, હજી એક વાર જોયા. બરાબર, હજી એક વાર.
Protein filaments, giving skeletal muscle its striated appearance. The muscle contracts when these filaments.
H band, sarcomere, I band become short. Sure? હજી એક વાર.
Protein filaments,
આ જોઈ લો શું દેખાય છે.
giving skeletal muscle its striated appearance.
Sir, thick filament, thin filament and sarcomere are short છે.
હજી શાંતિથી જોઈ લો. આજે 10 times બતાવો.
The muscle contracts when these filaments. Protein filaments, giving skeletal muscle its striated appearance. The muscle contracts when these filaments.
પછી એક વાર बताओ.
In protein filaments, giving skeletal muscle its striated appearance. The muscle contracts when these filaments
sarcomere become short. In okay, what you are telling about? Yes, you. What do you want to say? Okay. तो कई ત્રણ વસ્તુ short થશે. Tell me that three things become short.
giving skeletal muscle its striated appearance. The muscle contracts when these filaments each sarcomere consists
Can I play the video?
of alternating thick and thin
જે છે વિડિયોમાં જોવાનું છે આ તમે જે કાલે સ્ટડી કર્યું ને એને અહીંયા એપ્લાય કરવાનું કઈ કન્ફ્યુઝન કરીશ તમારે શ્યોર રહેવાનું. Can I continue?
protein filaments, giving skeletal muscle its striated appearance. The muscle contracts when these filaments
Yes, three things become short. There is a no change in the three things. તમે કઈ ત્રણ વસ્તુમાં ચેન્જીસ નથી થતો એનો આન્સર આપો. Yes, you says that H band, I band and thick filament and Z line. No change. Okay. Yes, what do you want to say? Most skeletal muscle भूली जाए. M line.
I band
I band
અને H strong
હા
ના નથી
અચ્છા શેમાં ચેન્જ નથી થતો
sarcomere પછી light band અને Z line આટલામાં ચેન્જ નથી
ઓકે sit.
Sir, while contraction there is no change in thick filament, thin filament and Z line, and changes seen in I band, sarcomere and H band.
Any other student want to ask anything else apart from this discussion? Then I will give my final decision. Last time આપણે કરી દો.
In protein.
See what happened here. Final answer is I band, H band and sarcomere become short. Okay? Then thick filaments. Let me complete. Don't tell in between. Thick filament, thin filament and A band. There is a no change. Okay? Again. I band, H band and sarcomere become short, and at last they are disappeared. At last I band and Z band are disappeared. Sarcomere become short. So H band, I band and sarcomere become short. Thick filaments, thin filaments and A band there is a no change. अच्छा लाइन केवू कई शॉर्ट नो थाय बराबर छे लाइन इज अ वेरी थिन स्ट्रक्चर इमेजिनरी लाइन इज देयर हियर बराबर तो હવે જોઈ લો અહીંયા તમને જેટલું દેખાય
In filaments, giving
let me compare this diagram to the last diagram.
skeletal muscle its striated appearance. The muscle contracts when these filaments.
Okay, I band becomes short. So both the side I band becomes short. That's why sarcomere is short. Okay, and both the thin filaments are coming close to each other. That's why H band is also disappeared and only M line is present. अच्छा અહીંયા તમે જે ડાયાગ્રામ જોવો છો ને આ જે મૂવમેન્ટ જોવો છો actually when I will move like this તો આ બેન્ચ પાછળ લે એવું કહેવાય હું આ કરી દઉં બરાબર ને હું અલ્ટ્રાવિઝન સ્કૂલ પાસેથી પાસ થયો હોય બરાબર તો અલ્ટ્રાવિઝન પાછળ ગઈ એમ ન ગયો બીકોઝ અહીંયા કેવું છે હવે એ જોવાનું હજી પાછું એકવાર બતાવો પણ સાંભળો એક મીનિંગફુલ બતાવો ઓલામાં આન્સર નહોતો આવ્યો એટલે મેં બતાવ્યું હવે અહીંયા કેવું છે હવે તમારે એ જોવાનું છે એવરીબડી is it clear up to this yes anybody has any doubt up to right now no yes જો અહીંયા છે ને આ mechanism of muscle contraction is sliding filament here one bend thick filament thin filaments are sliding over each other thick filaments and thin filaments are sliding over each other એટલે હું તમને અત્યારે ઈ જ કહેવાનો છું that thick filaments are stable. Now see, I will mute the video. See, thick filaments are stable, thin filaments are coming close to each other. Understand? Now you are not getting up to right now. What happened? Ask me. Where are you confused? Tell whatever you want to say. Filaments છે ને સ્લાઇડિંગ કરે છે. અહીંયા filaments ની કોઈ મૂવમેન્ટ નથી. Thick filament is stable and over the thick filament, thin filament will move. Sit. Any other student want to ask anything? What do you want to ask? Yes, yes. પાકું? આમ કઈ ગળા સુધી આવ્યું હોય ઘડી લેવાનું એવું હોય. એમ? Now from the contracted state, muscle is coming in the relaxed state. હજી નજીકથી જોઈએ આ. હા બહુ તમને દૂરથી બતાવે.
The thick filaments are myosin.
હવે actually શું થાય છે એ જોજો. હવે બહુ નજીકથી આપણે જોયું. હા? Now you have easily observed this is the I band, Z line, this is the A band. Okay? From here to here. This is the H zone, M line, and thick filament and thin filament. હવે ધ્યાનથી જોજો. Which one is stable and which one is move over which filament?
Protein filaments, giving skeletal muscle its striated appearance. The muscle contracts when these filaments slide past each other. The thick filaments are myosin, which are anchored at the center of the sarcomere, called the M line. The thin filaments are composed of the protein actin, which are anchored to the Z lines on the outer edges of the sarcomere. Because the actin filaments are anchored to the Z lines, the sarcomere shortens from both sides when
હવે પડી ખબર? તો આપણે પડીથી બતાવો હું વાંધો.
anchored to the Z lines, the sarcomere shortens from both sides when
See, this video is available on YouTube. Okay? એમાંથી ડાઉનલોડ કરીને બતાવી તમને. Want to see? Then you can see on YouTube. Otherwise, I will share this. WhatsApp. YouTube માં સર્ચ કરતા નહીં પાવે. શું? અચ્છા હા લખવું પડશે નહીં. Mechanism of skeletal muscle contraction. બોલી ગલ જોઈ લેવાનું લખે છે. એટલું સર્ચે નહીં કરી શકો.
actin filaments slide along the myosin filaments. Oh,
Now we are moving at the last stage. Okay, please keep quiet. We are here in the last stage. Fine. This is known as thick filament. Thick filament. Here this is made up of the myosin, and this is known as prosinga. Three-dimensional, 3D. Three-dimensional. The prosingam is now here, here as well as here. But this is known as thin filament. હજી એનું સ્ટ્રક્ચર ડ્રો કરવાનું છે. And this red color molecules are the actin filaments. Actin filament, over that you see that yellow dot is known as myosin binding site on actin molecule. Again, myosin binding site on actin molecule. It means This crossing arm is now connected to this yellow dot. Okay, again, this is known as thick filament, okay, made up of myosin, and at particular level the crossing arm moves out. That's all about it. Fine. Then this is known as thin filament, actin molecule. This red one is actin molecule, and just over the yellow dot, it is known as myosin binding site on the actin filament. Now here what happened? Fine. The crossing arm is now connected to the myosin binding site of the actin filament and move in this way. Fine. So here now what happened? The cross bridge forms, then it is detached. Then again joining occurs and then filament is moved. अच्छा હવે ધ્યાન ઈ રાખવાનું છે કે H band માં જેટલા I band thin filaments, in H band the thin filaments are coming close to each other. As a result, both the A bands are coming close to each other. As a result, I band is disappearing. Both the thin filaments are coming close to each other. Similar to that, both the I band coming close to each other. That's why I band is disappearing. Okay? Clear? See, in this way. Cross bridge formation, and the filament is now pushed towards the M line. Here, now here what happens? See, ATP is now here attached to the crossing arm. Now here ATP is broken down. Listen the course. ATP is broken down into ADP and PI. Due to that release of that energy, cross bridge formation occurs, and then filament is pulled towards this M line. Now ADP, PI are detached from that crossing arm. Clear? Now new ATP will come. Okay? Then crossing arm is broken down. ATP is broken down with the help of energy, pulling, release, ATP comes, break, energy, pull. This will occur up to when the totally thin filaments are coming close to each other. Up to that this phenomenon occurs. Okay? Actually, this is the thin filament. આપણે જે ઓલું જોયું તો એ ખાલી actin molecule જોયું. Red color are actin molecule, and over that this is tropomyosin. The purple line tropomyosin and blue color troponin. Okay, that's why I have told you that in the thin filament 3 components are there, which are this troponin, tropomyosin and actin. Actin, troponin and tropomyosin. Clear?
Yes.
Now what happened? Here calcium ions are coming there, and when calcium ions are coming there and attached to the troponin molecule. So when the calcium molecules are attached to the troponin molecule, there is a contraction of the tropomyosin filament. As a result, myosin binding site are open. ATP will come here, and cross arm can we now make a joint with this and pull the king filaments towards the M line. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now whole phenomena. Okay? Nervous system gives the message to the neuromuscular junction. Fine. So impulse will come here. Some chemicals are secreted there. Connection occurs. Fine. Now impulse is reached to the muscle. Fine. Then it is forwarded. Then calcium ion are released. Attached to it. Sites are opened. Cross arm formation. Pulling that. And muscle is contracted. So many sarcomere are contracted simultaneously. And muscle bulk increases. When we do the muscle contraction, muscle bulk increases in this way. So in this way our muscle is contracted. We are moving on the beginning of this page. Understand everyone? Anybody has any doubt here?
કેટલો time?